Hi guys, if you want to buy the SYLVOX outdoor TV with soundbar and TV mount, a 75-inch smart outdoor television featuring 4K resolution, weatherproof design, Google Assistant support, and 1000 nits brightness, then make sure to check the link in the description. Today we're looking at something that takes the idea of home entertainment and pushes it completely outside. Most TVs are designed for controlled indoor environments, but this one is built specifically for outdoor use, where conditions are much more demanding and unpredictable. Right away, the size makes a strong impression. A 75-inch display outdoors instantly transforms any backyard, patio, or deck into a full-scale entertainment zone. It's not just about watching content anymore. It's about creating an experience that feels cinematic and immersive right in your outdoor space. The design is clearly focused on durability. This is a weatherproof television engineered to handle exposure to elements like rain, humidity, dust, and temperature changes. Unlike standard TVs that degrade quickly outside, this is built to remain stable and reliable in outdoor environments over time. Moving into display performance, it features 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering sharp detail, vibrant colors, and excellent clarity across a large screen size. Whether you're watching sports, movies, or streaming your favorite shows, the picture quality stays crisp and engaging. One of the most important aspects of any outdoor display is brightness, and this model delivers around 1000 nits. That level of brightness is crucial for maintaining visibility in daylight conditions. Even in partial sunlight, the screen remains clear enough for comfortable viewing, which is something indoor TVs simply cannot handle. The overall viewing experience feels very immersive. Colors appear vivid, contrast is well balanced, and motion performance works well for fast-paced content like sports and action films. It is designed to keep the picture enjoyable in both daytime and evening outdoor environments. Audio is also included through a built-in soundbar, which is a major advantage for outdoor setups. Since open spaces tend to reduce sound clarity and impact, the integrated sound system helps deliver stronger dialogue, better volume distribution, and a more balanced listening experience without needing immediate external speakers. On the smart side, the TV supports modern streaming features and includes Google Assistant integration. This allows voice control for searching content, managing playback, opening apps, and interacting with compatible smart home devices. It adds convenience and fits into a modern connected lifestyle. Streaming access is also straightforward, with support for popular entertainment platforms. Whether it's movies, live sports, YouTube content, or series streaming, everything can be accessed directly from the TV without complicated setups. Installation is made easier with the included mounting system. Having a dedicated mount included ensures compatibility and simplifies setup, while also providing a clean and stable installation for outdoor environments. Another strong advantage is versatility. This TV is not limited to residential use only. It is also suitable for commercial environments such as restaurants, hotels, resorts, pool areas, and outdoor lounges where large, bright, and durable displays are needed for public viewing. When everything comes together, you get a large 75-inch 4K display, weatherproof construction, high brightness for outdoor visibility, smart features with voice control, built-in sound support, and a complete mounting solution. It is designed as a full outdoor entertainment package rather than just a television. Overall, this product is about extending entertainment beyond the living room and into open spaces. It allows you to turn outdoor areas into fully functional viewing zones for movies, sports, gaming, and social gatherings. If you are looking to upgrade your outdoor setup with a premium large-screen experience built for real outdoor conditions, this is one of the more complete solutions available. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description for more details.